Hi guys, it's Ray. We are starting a new cup today. We are going to use this decal, this Tequila Sunrise glitter, and my Rainbow Moonstone glitter. So I'm going to pour some of this into a cup so I don't have to work out of the bag. Alright. Now set that to the side. I'm going to set my decal to the side because we're nowhere near ready for that. And I'm going to grab my cup, which already has epoxy on it, to use as the glitter base. I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum Coral Gloss. I'm kind of hooked on the coral this week. I didn't really want that bright a glitter, but it was the best paint I had, so... And I just really like the sparkle on this. I mean, it's not going to be an exact match, but because this is like a pale orange. But I also had the idea of taking some of those gold butterflies and putting them around the coral glitter at the bottom. That's good on my coral, I think. I want a little bit more up here. Okay. So I'm going to scoop that up, come back to it in a minute. And then grab my other glitter. And I'm just going to kind of let the white waterfall just a little bit, hopefully. And then clean up my white. And I'm going to come back into my coral, but I'm going to dump like half of this back just so I don't waste more than is necessary. This cup is big, so it's a little awkward trying to waterfall it under the camera. Sorry about that. I'm just going to sprinkle this a little bit over that line from up high. I'm trying to cover this line again if it's soaked any in. This one's really fine and it comes out really fast. So this probably isn't going to end up quite as ombre as I had hoped, but that happens sometimes. I'm just mixing them together. And I'm just going to sprinkle over that whole transition line up and down one more time. Probably not a lot of it's going to stick at this point, but whatever does, does. So, see, I didn't get great coverage there, but that's okay. So yeah, I think this is going to be cute on here. And then I don't think I want any of the leaves. I'm thinking just a couple of the butterflies. Or maybe the rest of them. We'll see. I just think that'll be cute together. So, I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to get a really good flood coat on it, and I will be back when I am ready for all the decals. Okay, so I am ready to get this decaled. I'm going to use my butterfly stickers. I'm going to work from this sheet, but I did just pop into the Dollar Tree one of our smaller ones, and I found 4 more sets of those, so I do have a couple of the bigger ones now if I wanted to use some of the bigger ones. So I grabbed those. I grabbed 2 sets of these glass stickers from the Shore Living line. They had ones that had sayings on them, but I didn't really love any of the sayings. But I got 2 because I thought I could do a full wrap around a cup. I may trim these apart because they're one big sticker with a lot of clear in the background, because they are intended for a wine glass. I did find the boho set of rub-on transfers, so I will probably, I don't know, maybe use these on a cup at some point. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I really should have picked up 2 so that I could actually turn some of these into a full wrap. But, and I got a package of the Shore Living beverage napkins that I'm going to put on a cup. They're 2-ply. They will wrap around a 20-ounce skinny. I checked already. You will see a little bit of this perforation though, but it's not the end of the world. And I would only use 1-ply anyways, but so I thought that'd be cute on a tumbler. And I also got, this was not where it belonged in the store, and it was the only one of the Shore Living fabrics they had in the store. But they had this one, which I had wanted in the beginning. So I did pick this one up. And then they had just one more fabric in the regular Crafters Squares section that I thought was cute from what I could see. I believe it is just the turquoise truck. Yep, on repeat. So I thought this would be cute on a tumbler with like one of the country roads type of sayings. So I also grabbed that. But we're here to work on this cup, so let's get to that. So I'm going to trim this down. So I'm just going to kind of pick where I want my decal to go, and I think I want it to go in this section. I guess it decided where it wanted to go. And I don't hear any bubble spots, so that's good. And I don't see any bubbly spots, so excellent. So I do think I want to use a couple of the large butterflies. Okay, this is ready for its coat of epoxy, so here we go. So that is it. It's probably going to get one more thin clear coat, but other than that, this one is done. So pretty. Absolutely thrilled with this one. I'm really happy I decided to do the decals on the bottom, because this decal was honestly a little bit small for this cup. Had it been something I made myself, I would have made it, you know, a ½ inch bigger. But I'm trying to let you see the bottom. There we go. So that is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.